If you are building an AI agent today, the hardest part usually isn't the AI. It is getting that agent to plug into the tools you actually use, Stripe, HubSpot, Slack, without the whole system breaking down. Developers spend weeks writing and maintaining custom glue code for every single API. Every time an endpoint changes, the code breaks, and your agent is suddenly flying blind. To fix this, the industry developed the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of it as a universal plug. Instead of building 50 different custom integrations, you build one MCP connection, and your agent can speak to any supported platform. This is where Vinkius comes in. The Vinkius AI Gateway hosts over 2,600 pre-built, hardened MCP servers. You deploy them with a single click, completely bypassing the need to spin up or manage your own infrastructure. By acting as a universal translator, Vinkius lets your agents query massive datasets and interact with complex software without you writing a single line of integration code. To see how this works at scale, we can look at one of the most complex datasets available, the NASA Exoplanet Archive, managed out of the Ames Research Center. Instead of manually downloading tables, an AI agent connected through Vinkius can natively parse the data on all 5,748 confirmed planets in under 2 minutes. The agent uses built-in tools to pull discovery statistics or grab raw transit data directly from space observatories like Kepler and TESS. This chart shows how the AI maps that data. By highlighting the habitable zone, the specific distance from a star where liquid water could exist, the agent can instantly filter the massive archive and circle the rocky planets that match those conditions. This model reasons over live, strictly governed scientific metrics, moving beyond the static limits of its training data to deliver insights in seconds. Connecting a large language model directly to internal data, or handing it your API credentials, introduces massive security risks. Vinkius handles this by executing every request inside a V8 sandboxed isolate. This creates a secure, temporary digital vault for each individual action the agent takes. Before any information leaves that vault, DLP protocols identify and mask personally identifiable information. The LLM never sees the sensitive data. As the request exits the sandbox, Vinkius uses ED 25519 audit chains to sign every event. This creates an unbreakable, verifiable trail of every interaction the agent has with your data. Because the gateway itself holds and manages the authentication, your actual API keys remain on the server. They are never exposed to the AI model or the end user. This zero-trust architecture gives enterprise institutions the confidence to connect autonomous agents to their most sensitive data pools, knowing strict governance is hard-coded into the network. This secure infrastructure extends across the entire Vinkius catalog of over 2,600 ready-to-use servers. For financial applications, the FRED server gives your agent direct access to 800,000 economic data series from the Federal Reserve. In the medical field, the PubMed server allows your tools to search and reference 37 million biomedical research articles. Whether you are a solo developer coding with Cursor and Claude, or an enterprise team managing operations across Datadog and HubSpot, the integration process is identical. Chatbots are limited by their context windows. Vinkius provides the governed infrastructure layer to break them out of that box, arming them with live, factual data so they can actually do the work. You can start building today. Go to vinkius.com to create a free account and connect your agents to the world's data in minutes.